Kacper Sawicki from Iotoak company. Today I would like to tell you about our company and our latest product, Green Energy Controller. The team of designers and developers implements and maintains IoT systems using embedded devices, utilities, websites, internet and mobile applications. As a result of that, we have made a solution for photovoltaic installations to make them more effective. Our product is called Green Energy Controller and it's used to read data and control power devices operating in photovoltaic installation. The basic functionality of the device is deliver information about production and consumption of the electricity, controlling its flow and thus improving the return on the investment and providing more effective usage of the produced electricity. The data on the production and consumption of electricity is sent to the server for a further analysis and interpretation. As a result of long-term analysis of historical data, the user obtains knowledge that enables an effective cost optimization.
Green Energy Controller reduces energy consumption costs and reduces payback time of investment in photovoltaic system. How does our controller work? Business consumers have contracts with electricity suppliers. In these contracts, we can find information about cost of energy consumption in kilowatts per hours, but also additional parameters which are related to large additional costs. For example, reactive power generated by consumer, but also peaks of energy used by consumer. In these peaks we say about energy used in a 15-minute period. Our controller takes data from electricity meters and monitors all parameters in real time. The Green Energy Controller can control relays and electrical circuits and secure us for use of energy higher than limits defined in our contracts. Additional benefits we have in investment in photovoltaic farms. When photovoltaic owners cannot consume all energy they produce, they must send this energy to the grid. The owner of the grid, the energy supplier, must pay for owner of photovoltaic farms some amount for this energy, but this amount is lower as a cost. The owners of photovoltaic farms must pay for energy buy from the grid when they need use it. For summary, sending the energy back to electricity supplier is not good business for them. It's a kind of loss. The Green Energy Controller compare in the real time the energy produced and used by the owner of photovoltaic farms. The controller collect the data from energy consumption meters on one side and from inverters from the second side. At the moment when the production of energy is higher than consumption, Green Energy Controller can switch on or switch off some relays for control of electric circuits of the owner. In this way, Green Energy Controller can use energy storage or, for example, heating system, or, for example, can warm the water for use it later. And in this way, we can collect produced energy and use it later. That is why Green Energy Controller can secure us for loss of money.
The data is collected in a cloud instance using direct internet connection. We use MQTT protocol to communicate with the server side. The device uses M2M SIM cards dedicated to IoT solution. The physical connection is realized using the LTE Cat-M1 modem installed on board. The send data allows to manage your devices remotely. Can be used to monitor their status or to change the working configuration. We also support SMS as a fallback configuration channel.
This process is fully automated and adaptable to the requirements of individual and business customers. Green Energy Controller was built and implemented in collaboration with Orange Polska and the Space 3 AC accelerator. The computer was implemented within the offering of photovoltaic installations by Orange. Green Energy Controller also gains popularity among entrepreneurs and institutions who want to monitor and manage their consumption, even without using photovoltaic systems.